guys, this is my first YouTube video. So I have an SN550 SSD. I have bought this SSD for around 6,000 rupees on Amazon. So I have an HP laptop which I bought in last year ago, which had an 1 TB hard disk. This is an SN550 500 GB SSD which supports up to 2400 Mbps transfer speeds and up to 2000 read-write speeds. So first I will unbox this. So this is an SSD. This is an NVMe, so it has this another slot. You need to check for your laptop compatible with this or not. So yes, this is the SSD. It comes with WD Blue SN550. This is a budget segment SSD. So if you are looking for a budget segment, now this price at around 4,800 rupees or something like that on Amazon. So you need to check it before you buy. I will give a link in my description for the Amazon link which I have bought from. A da15 series laptop. You might see it. It's a da15 series. So it's a basic laptop i5 generation which is with 1 TB hard disk and 8 GB RAM. So over 1 year of time, this went too slow for me. Now you can see the boot time is too long. So it is on Windows 10 operating system. Still it's taking too long to boot. There were so many SSDs with this kind of price, but WD is a well-known brand, so I choose SN550. Still taking time. Took around 1 minute to open. So I will start with the installation of this SSD in my laptop. So first of all, we need a screwdriver. So I have taken a screwdriver from my toolkit. So first you need to take off these grips from your laptop. This is easy for you to just take off the grips and reattach it whenever the installation is complete. You need to unscrew the screws. From the laptop. It's a CD drive for this laptop. So what I am doing is just opening a laptop to modify some part. So you need to check with your company. So in my case it's HP. So my warranty is voided, so I didn't contact my company for this. So if you're in warranty, you need to check with your company if they are okay with, or otherwise your warranty will void it. So do make sure to check it before doing this. So I have taken out all the screws. So this is a pry tool which is used for mobile, to open back side of the mobile. So I have been using this. So first of all we will need to open the laptop. So I will open with this pry tool. So with my nails I have opened a space to open this from the pry tool. So I will just insert this, move with the body and open this laptop. See, I'll just close this. Every side has been open. Tilt it around and this screw remain here, and I will just try it on. So the cover I have been removed. So here you can see this is my hard disk and this is my RAM. So I can upgrade my RAM. If you want, I can make a video on RAM, how to install it. And this space, this is for SSD. So here you can see it's written, it supports PCIe, NVMe and SATA, all three types of SSD in smaller segment. So this is the SSD. I will install this. So there is a screw here which holds the SSD in place. So I will remove it. In my case, it's written that it supports. So you need to check before you buy. You need to open your laptop or either check on the website. So I will install it now. Just slide it in, push it down. And I'm screwing it. So the process which I have shown you right now, it includes that you can upgrade your SSD, upgrade RAM, and to upgrade your hard disk if you want. And this process won't take you a warranty. Even if you are in warranty, no need to worry. Just concern your HP service center. In the time of pandemic, too many shops were closed. So I did it on my own to save me some. So I have installed the SSD. Everything is done. So I will just put on the cover and then I will just screw it up. It's done. So I have screwed everything. So let's put on the grips back on laptop. It has a glue, so it just sticks on back. I have installed the OS on my laptop. It's Windows 10. So I will do a dedicated video to it. If I would have shown the process, it would have taken up much space and video would have been long. So I will just start the laptop to show you the difference between a hard disk and a SSD. So it took around 10 to 15 seconds to launch the OS on the laptop. So yeah, this is an M.2 NVMe SSD upgrade on my HP laptop which had a hard disk. So I will show just you the partitions I have made in this. It's an SSD. So thank you for watching this video.
लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें।